you use the blue screen? It's not green, right? It's blue.
Oh, blue screen. Yeah, because it's from
it's nice.
Razer.
Guys.
It's from Razer.
Guys, so a few days ago, it's Ryan's birthday.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
When he
it's
comes
Ryan's
back, let's sing happy birthday for him.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, when you come back.
When he come back, right? When he come back, okay?
Okay. 생일이었대, 생일.
Gak bisa, guys. Itu
며칠 전에
diumpetin.
구하면 생일이었대.
Atau ninjain aja, jangan deh. Jangan
Oh,
ninjain.
this game is so fun.
Jangan.
It was.
Yeah, it's very fun.
It's really fun.
It's fun, right?
It was a lot of fun.
What time in your place, Anita? 8?
Almost 9.
Almost 9?
Wow.
9 a.m.
Oh my god, it's a cat.
It's a
There's
cat.
a cat.
Oh.
What is his name?
Look, it's
Is it Ryan? Is it Ryan?
No.
No. What's his name?
Black cat.
What's his name?
Uni?
It's so fun to watch.
Uni?
Uni as in like the Japanese food?
Oh, hello. 그거 말고 Japanese, not Japanese food. 나 성게알.
No, because uni is Japanese food.
Yeah.
It's seafood.
Yeah, it's seafood.
Or
Uni.
Katsuhiro Games character.
Kenapa Uni bakwan?
Uni.
Uni tuh.
This character it seems like.
Oh, gue nggak tahu gue.
하면 죄송해요, 여러분.
Are you guys tired? This game
Yeah.
is very tiring, right?
There's a lot of yelling.
This game is very
Yeah.
tiring.
It's fun
There's a
though.
lot of yelling.
Sorry about the yelling, guys. Sorry about the yelling.
Oh, I loved it.
fun.
It was fun.
It was
That
very
was
fun.
fun. No, at one point, you guys started speaking your language. So we were like, "What are they? What are they saying?"
I thought Kevin. Sorry about that. I thought Kevin, let's speak English. I said. I thought Kevin, let's speak English. They keep saying in Indo, bro. Sorry, this is because this is our first time at speaking English.
Yeah, it's okay. It's fun. It was fun.
Next
No,
time,
it was
It was
more
really
fun.
fun.
Yeah.
Okay, next time if we have another chance,
Yeah,
let's play
English.
together. It's full English, really full English, okay?
Promise.
Okay.
Oh,
Yopu also will speak English.
Oh my god. I learned English. Okay.
Okay, so
It
let's
was
start.
funny. Ryan's back.
Okay,
Ryan's back.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ryan.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you guys.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, our singing is terrible, guys.
Yeah.
Ryan will come to the US and Korea to treat you guys, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm waiting for Ryan.
Yeah, Ryan.
Waiting for Ryan in Korea.
Let's bring Ryan to Korea next time. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, bring Ryan. Yeah, bring Ryan to Korea. Come on.
Yeah, Ryan doesn't want to come to Korea back. Like,
No, why?
I didn't say that.
Why, Ryan? Why?
You didn't come.
Bobby.
You not invite me to join you trip to Korea.
Oh, Ryan hates Korea?
Oh, Ryan likes Korea.
No.
Nah, he loves Korea, of course. Do you know any Korean words, Ryan?
안녕하세요.
Okay. One
He can
thing.
go already. He can go. Ryan.
Okay, you can come.
Yeah, you can come.
안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Yeah,
That's nice.
Okay, come to Korea.
Okay.
He's ready.
Ryan.
Already.
He's ready to come here.
Ryan.
Okay.
Celebrate Ryan.
Habis you it.
Yes, celebrate Ryan.
Asal.
Celebrate Ryan.
Hey, is it more colder in Korea right now? Yopo and Kumpan.
Oh.
Colder? Yeah, it's so cold.
Is this
Very
snow?
cold.
Yeah, cause
Wait,
no. Oh,
No snow?
추워.
Is it snowing again?
Snow?
No. It's all melted, but it's cold.
Yeah, but when I was there, it was like the biggest snow, right? Like,
Yeah, it was. And in
Oh, but-
Korea, there is no snow in November, so you guys like.
We're lucky, you know.
So it's very
Yeah,
lucky,
you guys
right?
are lucky. Yeah, you guys are lucky.
You know, Dean cried. Because he
What?
saw snow for
No,
the first time.
no, it's, no.
Wait, he never saw snow in his life?
No, it's
That
my
was
wife.
his
It's my
first
wife.
time snow?
No, it's my wife. Right? It's Adele. It's actually Adele is crying to see the snow.
Oh, it's okay.
Dean.
Oh my.
Dean, come back. It's okay. We'll show you a lot of snow.
No.
Aw.
It's okay.
He wants to go skiing.
But it's
Yeah, he
true.
really
If I want
wants
to go
to-
to skiing.
Oh yeah, because last week Korea started the skiing thingies, so you can come back and then ski.
But it's true that the is it the first time in 100 years that the snow is very heavy? The heavy snow?
Yeah, because there is no snow in November, Korea. First time. That was first time, and that big first time.
Oh, that big.
So
Oh, okay.
lucky.
So you guys are lucky. No wonder Dean cried.
Yeah.
Oh no, that.
Yeah.
It's
It's okay, Dean. It's okay to be a cry baby. It's okay.
Ryan told me on WhatsApp that he want to show his talent. He want to show the Bakaaa. He can show the Bakaaa there. Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Please.
Show me.
Show me the Bakaaa International, Ryan.
We have Bakaaa International also. Like Kencana.
Okay, I'm doing first. I'm okay. I'm fine. Gencana, teng neng neng. Okay, the Ryan also have the one that viral. See, he has the one. Also.
Okay.
In
Do it, Ryan.
Do it, Ryan.
Wow.
Wah anjing gue udah di mana? Kasihan. English Ryan.
Let's go.
Ryan, let's go.
This is very viral in Indonesia.
This is short.
Oh yeah?
Let's go.
Oi. Come on, Ryan. Come on. Oi. Bakaaa.
Okay.
That one is like Quencana. That one is like Quencana in Indonesia.
In Indonesia. Okay, so it's something popular in Indonesia. Okay.
Really, that's like that's like Quencana.
Lihat Anita nggak ada responnya, guys. Anita nggak ada responnya.
Dean, where's your face cam?
Where's Dean? Where's Dean and Guava?
I'm here. Sorry. Wah, Jambu is so good. Brian is so good. Guava is so good.
Oh, Ryan, yeah.
Ryan, well played.
Demi Allah mau nangis.
Bakaaa, 저게 뭐지?
It's a soundboard from Discord.
It's a soundboard.
It's a soundboard from Discord.
You can use it to.
You can use it if you have an intro. Yeah.
갑분싸 지리네.
Coba dong prestasi lu.
You can use it too.
What is
Okay,
that
guys.
sound?
Okay.
No, it's a system on Discord.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, what time is it in Korea?
It's already 2 a.m.
2 a.m. bro. It's 2 a.m. already.
2 a.m. at night.
Yeah.
People all be sleeping right now.
Nico.
Okay. Jangan.
We can find other game next time, guys.
Yeah, okay.
Find other game.
Yeah.
Let's find out again
it was
next
so
time.
Fun.
It was, yeah.
We should.
Okay, we should.
I want to play this game again. This game is fun.
Oh, you want to play this game again?
Let's give again.
Okay.
No, we can do something else like Valorant or something like that.
No, sure. Yeah.
And Valorant too.
Okay, in Valorant too. So this game actually, it's okay to play like 2 hours max. After 2 hours, it's not healthy, really.
It's tiring. It's tiring.
Yeah, it's tiring.
Yeah.
It's tiring. Everyone is already hate each other, really.
Yeah, it's not
Yeah.
even tiring. It's just personal.
Yeah, it's just personal.
Having trust
Yeah, it's so much
issues.
yelling.
Trust issues.
That's true.
Yeah.
Agree.
All right.
Okay.
All right. A lot of fun.
Okay. It was so
Thank you
fun.
so much.
Okay, thank you.
I mean, call us again. Try another international game.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it again.
Okay.
Let's do it again. It's fun.
Thank you,
Okay.
thank you,
It was
Auntie.
fun.
Thank you, Anita.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so much, everyone.
Yopo. Thank
Thank
you,
you, guys.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye guys.
Bye bye. Please visit the channel, guys. Please visit the channel, okay? Check on the channel.
Indo.
Selamat malam. Bye bye.
Selamat malam.
Terima kasih.
Selamat malam. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
And then the Ryan Bakaaa thing, yeah, it was cool. It was cool. Yeah, it was cool.
Yeah, it was cool. It was cool. It was cool.
It was amazing. It was amazing.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, goodbye guys.